Let's start question number first of exercise 14.5. Question is draw AB of length 7.3 centimeter and find its axis of symmetry. See, first of all, we will draw a line segment AB of length 7.3 centimeter, and after that we have to find its axis of symmetry. See, axis of symmetry will be the perpendicular bisector of AB. Okay, what we do, we will find the perpendicular bisector of AB. So let's start. First of all, we will draw a line segment of length 7.3 centimeters. This is line segment of length 7.3 centimeters. Now we have to find its perpendicular bisector. For that, what we do, we will open the compass more than half of AB. Okay. Now with A as center and radius greater than half of AB, draw an arc upward and downward. Okay. And now with B as center, draw an arc upward and downward intersecting the previous arcs. Now join these two intersecting points. And name these points as C and D. So CD is perpendicular bisector of AB. So CD is the axis of symmetry of line segment AB. Let's start question number second of exercise 14.5. Question is draw a line segment of length 9.5 centimeter and construct its perpendicular bisector. This question is totally same as question number first. Axis of symmetry and perpendicular bisector means same. Okay. First of all, we will draw a line segment AB of length 9.5 centimeters. Okay. Name this line segment as AB and length is 9.5 centimeters. Now we have to find its perpendicular bisector. For that, what we do, now taking A as center and radius more than half of AB. Okay, radius more than half of AB and taking A as center, draw two arcs, one upward and one downwards. Okay, now with B as center and same radius, draw two arcs, one upward and one downward intersecting the previous arcs. Fine. Now join these two intersecting points and name these points as C and D. Okay. So CD is perpendicular bisector of line segment AB. CD is the perpendicular bisector of line segment AB. Fine. So this is question number second of exercise 14.5. Let's start question number third of exercise 14.5. Question is draw the perpendicular bisector of XY whose length is 10.3 centimeter. एक line segment आपको दी हुई है XY whose length is 10.3 centimeter and we have to draw the perpendicular bisector of it. Okay. And A part is take any point P on the bisector drawn. उसके बाद हमें जो bisector हम draw करेंगे उस पर एक point लेना है P. Examine whether Px is equal to Py. And B part is if M is the midpoint of XY, what can you say about the lengths MX and XY? Okay. So let's start. First of all, we will draw a line segment XY of length 10.3 centimeters. Draw a line segment of length 10.3 centimeters and name these points as XY. Now we have to find the perpendicular bisector of XY. For that, with X as center and radius more than half, draw two arcs, one upward and one downwards. Okay, radius more than half, draw two arcs, one upward and one downward. Now, with the same radius, with y as center, draw two arcs, one upward and one downward, which will intersect the previous arcs. Fine. Now join these two intersecting points. Join these two points and name these points as C and D. So CD is perpendicular bisector of XY. Now A part is take any point P on the bisector, examine whether PX is equal to PY. See, here I am taking point P. Using divider you can check whether Px is equal to Py or not. See, I am not having divider, so I am using compass. The distance Py and distance Px both are same. Okay, distance Px and Py both are same. That means Px is equal to Py. With the help of divider, we can check that Px is equal to Py. Now B part of the question is, if M is the midpoint of xy, what can you say about the length mx and xy? See, if M is the midpoint of xy, length of xy was 10.3 and M is the midpoint of xy, means it's 5.1 So this is the point M. Fine, this is xy, this is M. M is the midpoint of xy. From this we can see that mx is half of xy. We have to find the relation between mx and xy, and from this figure, from this line segment, we can check that mx is half of xy. Okay, so this is question number 3 of exercise 14.5.